I want to discuss human evolution. Human goes back to 6 million years ago. Report shows that the genes of human has not changed in 200,000 years ago. Our body is based on what we were 200 years ago. The cancer cells are created because of some random generation of cancer cells. The food people was using at the time was good enough to prevent widespread cancer. 200 years ago, we were hunter-gatherer. Typical life would have been the hunters of the tribe. The hunter in the tribe, we hunt something, bring it to the tribe. There was no freezer, there was no fridge, no way to keep, so they all eating the food for a period of festivity. But then they will run out of food. They had to go out and then hunt another animal or another source of food. Now, this hunting, new hunting, might take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. There is no proper food at the time. So we need to think about what will happen. And also, that time, they were running and chasing animals and hunting them. So if you go to the process of digestion of the food in human body, the food will be digested, initially stored as energy in our muscles. Then the recent research shows that it will be stored as glycogen in our liver. And then anything extra would be digested and stored as fat. So that was the process. If there was no food, which was no food for a long time, people were always hungry, they will go the reverse. That is, you lose energy from your muscle, then from your liver, then from fat. Interesting point that cancer cells that been produced by random generation of cells would have been recycled by healthy cells, because random cancer cells they can only use sugar and what is converted to sugar. But healthy cells, they could use sugar, things that convert to become sugar, and also the fat. And that was the case, for example, in winters, that there was not enough food, so people will use a lot of fat. And that stage, the recent research, it shows that cancer cells, because of not having enough food, would have been very weak, and healthy cells digest them. So that was a mechanism for getting rid of cancer cells.